Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Kim. I'm going to show you a few websites today, ones that I really enjoy. The first one is called How Stuff Works. It is really cool. There's tons and tons of information here. You could spend probably weeks and not read it all. It's categorized, so you can read the stuff that interests you and then just skip the rest. They have podcasts available, so if you don't want to, here's the podcast. If you don't want to read it, you can have it read to you. There's quizzes, reviews, just so many cool things in here. Let's see. Top Ramen's first chief noodle officer pays in ramen. Oh, how funny. So I like to just go what's on this main front page and kind of look around. The Cause Can Talk. Why is populism so popular again? 7 facts I got wrong in school about Christopher Columbus. 10 reasons why space exploration matters to you. Here's the political section. Here's some science, some health. Anyways, it's very, very interesting, and the puzzles are fun also. I just want to show you what an article kind of looks like. Here, Worm, strawberry, blue. Every full moon has a name. And it kind of explains why. And it tells you, it's just like a magazine. It's like reading a magazine. But you get to pick exactly the topic you want to read about. Can a black widow spider kill you? So this is kind of like Pinterest. Once you go down this tunnel, you just click things and you just stay here for a long time reading it. It's like, oh, that looks interesting. You click on that and you never have to leave the site. It's really pretty neat. If we go back to the home page, here's the quizzes. They're fun. Here, let's do animals. How many bird species can you identify? Not very many, but let's go ahead and look at it. I love birds, but I don't know much about them. Do you know how many types of birds there are? Scientists believe there are more than 10,000 different species. We're not going to quiz you on all of them, but do you think you can at least name 40 we compiled for this list? Probably not, but let's go. So, here's our first question. Which of these birds has an almost unbelievable migratory route? Razorbill, northern gannet, European storm petrel, or the Arctic tern? I don't know what any of those birds are. So I'm just going to pick this one. Whoa, good guess. Correct answer. The most interesting part about the Arctic tern is its migratory route. Every year, they travel over 70,000 kilometers from the northern tips of North America, Antarctica, and back again. To Antarctica and back again. They have by far the longest migratory pattern of any animal. So then you go down, here's the next question. So they're not silly questions, these are serious quizzes. Can you see if you can identify these saltwater fish from an image? Anyways, this is a great site. I think you should explore it a little bit. Be prepared to lose several hours because you'll just keep finding more and more things that interest you. Okay, here's another one. These are more fun. These are the silly quizzes. So these are this is on YouTube, 1 million tests. These are like all those little tests you take on Facebook. But you don't have to worry about giving up all your personal information or your privacy. You don't have to click on anything. You just watch the video and write down your answers so you have points. You keep track of your points. What does your birth month say about you? Here, let's see what this test is.
Managing your projects should feel more like this. That's why you need ClickUp. With ClickUp...
Let's skip that ad.
What does your birth month say about you? Did you know that people born in January are true leaders, while those born in July are quite moody? While star signs and horoscopes try to predict our future and work with what path our lives might be taking, we at 1 Million Tests are going to find out what truth your birth month hides about you. Are you ready? Just choose your answers and count your stars. You'll have 10 questions and 5 seconds to decide. Remember to let me know about your results in the comments section below. Ready, steady, go! What season were you born in? Fall, winter, spring, summer? That's an easy question to answer, isn't it? No psychological and spiritual insights are required. Fall gets 2 stars. Winter gets 1 star. Spring gets 3 stars. Summer gets 4 stars.
So you continue on and answer all these questions, and then at the end, based on how many stars you have, I'll just kind of show you what the results would look like.
15. Confident. You have a certain level of confidence that is rarely seen. You are so secure in yourself, it makes others feel secure in themselves. You don't mind attention, but you also don't force your way into...
So it's really fun. They're just a bunch of silly quizzes like that, and they're all the same. You have 10 questions, you have 5 seconds to answer, then you tally up all your stars. Some of the ones they have are, what breed of cat are you? What color is your aura? What percent princess are you? What horror villain are you? How dateable are you? What's your superhero name? I did that one, and it said, my name is Mrs. Sunshine. It says I'm a pretty positive, optimistic person, which I think is true. And then another one I did was, what your unconscious scribbles say about you. So I got a score of 21, which meant I was peaceful and unified, calm with myself and how I connect with the world. I hope that's true. Anyways, so these are fun. This is on YouTube. Just search for 1 million tests. Could spend a lot of time doing these. They're kind of silly, but it's fun. Here's another one that's fun. So, how to play. You use the arrow keys to move these tiles. So you want to combine them. So like a 2. So you drop them to the down. So those 2 2s became a 4. Now I'm going to go down again. The 2 on the far left. This one and this one's going to become a 4. So then I'm going to move left. So this 4 and this 4 is going to become an 8. So if I move left again, this 2 and this 2 will be a 4. Move left again, these 2 and this 2 will be a 4. Now I'm going to move down, this 4 and this 4 will be an 8. I'm going to move down again, this 8 and this 8 will be a 16. So this is a puzzle, you want to get to 2048. I'm only at 48. As you can see, it gets harder and harder. So you kind of want to match the numbers up. So you use your arrow keys to move your tiles. This is super addicting. I do this sometimes when I'm on hold on the phone, and I was like, oh my goodness, I'm just going to play this game. And it makes the time go fast, and it challenges your brain. It's really a lot harder than it looks. So there is also a Chrome extension for this, for 2048. I have that on my Chrome browser at work, and sometimes when I'm just like sitting on hold waiting for someone, as I said, I'll just open up the little extension and it brings up my game. It's fun. Anyway, so that's just a silly game, but it does use your brain. Here's the last site I wanted to show you. This is a random trivia generator. It's randomtriviagenerator.com, and basically it gives you the questions. Which organ is responsible for creating urine? I think that's your bladder. Oh, I was wrong. The kidneys. So you just click it, and then you just keep scrolling down, and it'll just keep making questions. You can do this alone. You can play with friends. Like one person could be the host, ask the questions, and then click to see what the answer is. Set up teams or play as individuals. You could do it where you get 1 point for each one you get right. Keep tackling questions until you get one wrong. See how long you have a string of questions you can use. You can answer. It's pretty hard, actually. A lot of these questions are difficult, but some are easier. So you just kind of go through the list. Sometimes I'll cherry pick the easy ones, but like what state is nicknamed the Pelican State? I have no idea. Let's see. Louisiana. I guess that makes sense. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. This was fun. I just wanted to share these websites with you. Hope you enjoyed them. If you want to share some that you love, put it in the comments, and then I'll add them to a future video. So don't forget to like this video, I appreciate that, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.